Okay, this is my final explain a concept. Starting off, this is my visual I created. The images were just an additional touch to show the 3 different careers. I chose to show the interactions within the school system setting. For sign language interpreting, their job is to give communication access between the student, teacher, and other classmates, translate learning into a form the student can understand, and help get rid of the language barrier for the SLP and anyone else who's trying to help the student learn. SLP evaluates speech, language, and social communication skills. They also work to provide support and help ensure academic success for the student. Audiologists diagnose hearing loss and help manage amplification devices to help the student function in the school environment. For my future profession, I chose SLP in a school setting. They have to identify and treat speech, language, voice, fluency, and swallowing disorders. Some of my main responsibilities as a speech-language pathologist in the education system would be to provide support and proper curriculum to help students succeed and also learn to communicate with their classmates and teachers. They give assessments to determine where their student is at and then find the best way to help them succeed. Audiologists often have to come into schools and evaluate students' hearing. They also need to evaluate the class environment to make sure there are resources for those who struggle with hearing. Sign language interpreters have to convert the English language to sign language to help deaf students communicate with their teacher and classmates. They are key resources for students so they can gain the same education as their peers. Without audiologists and sign language interpreters, a lot of the work SLPs do would be invaluable. Audiologists are able to help discover if there are more challenges for the student than just their speech, language, and social communication skills. Sign language interpreters make it possible for the SLPs to effectively work with the student in a language they understand and prefer.